I guess that's a good stopping point. Uh, anyway, not anyway, man. I want to touch on something today a little bit different. Uh, my name is Poli Popo, and I love going over different tutorials on a lot of different music gear. But today I'm going to do something. I've had a lot of people ask me about, have you made any money doing this, or how much money do you make, and this and that. And honestly, I haven't made any money off of it yet, but I love doing it, and I know eventually, as I push forwards, that it'll come true. It'll happen. But it's not going to happen if I'm not up here every night. Down here in the basement. I don't do the up here in Missouri or south in Texas, down here. I mean, I'm down here in the basement. Usually don't care. But yeah, so you got to really like doing what you're doing, man. I'm going to be doing this either way, whether I'm making a video or not. It's just good practice for me to get this camera settings right on this thing, and to be able to know how to affect every single setting on here to get the best shot that I want. And all the research that I did. I get bored very easily, and whenever I got the MPC X, I just started making videos about it, and little by little people started saying thank you, and I was like, wow, I'll just share what I'm doing anyway, and it came out to be a really cool thing. And what I'm saying is, don't expect that whenever you first start doing it that you're going to receive $1,000 check a month or something like that. You know, I read some reviews where people are like, oh, I'll make $150 a month. And then the comments are like, wow, one day I'll be in your shoes. And those, you know, it's regardless, whether you open up a soup shop, a pizza shop, or a studio, or whatever it is you're going to do, chances are when you first open, you're going to be working for free. That's right. And, you know, you're going to have to count on a few people on one hand in order to do that for free. And it's not easy. And things that you're going to want to hear whenever you're doing something that you like are, this sucks, or I can't believe I'm still doing it. Why am I doing this? And things like that, because that means you care. You're criticizing yourself. You're critiquing yourself. It's like, man, this and that. Why am I not doing this? You know, I'm saying, I don't know. All I'm saying is that don't expect a whole bunch at the beginning. You know, it takes a lot of drive in order to do it. I opened up a shop with my pops 16 years ago, and I mean, we all have dads and moms, and probably remember hanging out with them if they're still around, and if not, man, you definitely remember. It's probably not the easiest situation for anybody to be in. It's a toxic situation for you to be around your loved ones, especially at work, not being around you focus on the wrong part of the story, man. It's what I'm saying is that it's not going to be easy. You're going to end up doing a lot of it for free. And you got to love doing whatever it is you're doing. And yeah, I'm going to continue doing it. While this video doesn't even get one view, I'm still going to post it because it's a good practice for me. And those that are in this video watching, you know, and to get something out of it, you know, hey, that's even better for me, because then it inspires me to do something else. And like I say, I love playing, and I had a subscriber asked if he could hear some of the sounds on there, and then that noise came up on the computer. And that's why I love my MPC, is because I don't have to have it tethered to a computer where I'm hearing that blue blue boo, baby baby. And man, it just drives me crazy when that happens. It's like if your speakers were to start popping or something. It really gets me, man, when I'm when I'm doing that. It just it kills me, because I was getting ready to throw down on that keyboard up there, and then the boobily came out, and yeah, I had to stop. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate everything. I'm not going to keep rambling. I mean, I don't think it's rambling, because sometimes I look for motivational videos and there're just not enough out there. And, you know, when the world is knocking you down and everything seems to be against you, man, the worst thing you can do is just lay down. You always have to get up. Like how that camera's just it's, see that? I'm not doing that. See that? I'm dealing with it, though. I'm going to make it to my advantage. I'm going to take all the positives out of that negative thing that just happened on the screen with this camera that I paid for, and, you know, make something nice. But, yeah, it might have threw me off a little bit. Anyway, yeah, the motivational speaking, man. The other day, you know, if you want to hang out for a second, cool. The other day I was, you know, one day off, man, and I was like, oh, I'll cut the grass, a weed eat, no string, all the things that you need to make a weed eater work, even putting the engine, taking it off, dude. I had it coming off the back, I had to put a screw, it was all janky, man, and, you know, I just took it and ran with it and finished it. Yard looks good, everything's cool. I don't have to do it right now because I did it. And, you know, after the end of the day, you know, when you look back at the accomplishments you did after everybody pushed you down and knocked you out of the way, yeah, it feels good. So I do appreciate you guys, man. Poli Popo here. If you guys want to see me do something with any of this gear on here, if not, I just keep putting it on the MPC X. I'll go MIDI out, and I like to jam around that. I do have this connected straight into the Canon 80D. Like every single thing that I have on my MPC, yeah. Okay. But this thing here, real quick before I go, I'll play a few more. Appreciate you guys.